Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Today we are going to learn how to send Notcoin from Tonkeeper to Bybit. Whether you're looking to trade or just manage your assets better, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Tonkeeper app. First, launch the Tonkeeper app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have your Notcoin ready for transfer. Step 2. Select the token. Navigate to your wallet and find Notcoin in your asset list. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Click on the send button. Enter the amount of Notcoin you wish to send. Now you'll need to input the recipient address. This is where you will send your Notcoin on Bybit. Step 4. Get your Bybit wallet addresses. To find your Bybit wallet address, open the Bybit app or website. Go to the Assets section. Click on Deposit. Then select Notcoin from the list. Copy the wallet address provided. Make sure to double check this address. Sending tokens to the wrong address can result in the permanent loss of functions or funds. Step 5. Complete the transfer. Return to Tonkeeper and paste the Bybit wallet address into the recipient field. Review all details carefully. Then hit confirm to finalize your transfer. And there you have it. You have successfully sent Notcoin from Tonkeeper to Bybit. This process not only helps you manage your crypto assets but also opens up new trading opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!